What up? It's your boy Playway from Remmogo Visuals. We're doing an advert for Unicef. My role today is catching behind the scenes.
Hello, hi. My name is Leepo and I am the producer for this advert. So what we're doing here, we're shooting an advert for Unicef about child abuse. So yeah.
This dude with thing. My role today, we're shooting a UNICEF ad. My role today, I'm the director. My boy there, Mr. Remmogo, is the cinematographer. And yeah, we're gonna kill this goat in a bit. I know my name is Chedza. I let Mr. LB, Mr. Play Word thing. It's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be a vibe. Waba Roads.
Shoot an ad at TV for UNICEF.
Perfect.
Hi, my name is Tedi. I'm the events coordinator. What am I doing here? Yeah, I'm volunteering. We're doing NGWANENG TVC, and I'm happy to be here with Remmogo Visuals.
Hi, my name is Leepo. I'm the public relations practitioner. We're here today with Remmogo Visuals shooting the NGWANENG TVC.
No other. No other.
Hi, I'm Tina Coles. I'm the head of digital for Incepta Communications. I'm here with my lovely team and the support from Remmogo Visuals to put this beautiful TVC production together. I don't know if I should give a backstory about what it is. Basically, this is 2.0 of the NGWANENG campaign, where we're trying to drive have a call to action from the public. We want them to report their cases. We want to take that step further from just saying we're in support. We want now people to actually take action and report. So we're here to demonstrate some of the cases that we see or some of the cases we've heard about. So yeah.
NGWANENG.
Yaron. Yo, Lina Geboka. Yep, it's a rap. Basically I was a DOP and I made a shoot that for UNICEF. It was great, it's awesome, the sun is out, and we are done.